Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a Diwali party makeup. Don't wasting your time, let's get started. First I'm going with my face primer. This is Eyeliner All Free Matte Base. This base is very lightweight and matte. This heals my full face and makes a smooth base. It's totally oil free. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Paris True Matte Liquid Foundation. It's super blendable. This can give me a smooth base and my skin is looking so natural. This product is super blendable and easy to apply. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer. I love this concealer. Apply in my under eye area and use a highlighted area in my nose, forehead and upper lip. This product is also so good. I love this product. I'm using this product have been so long and this is very good. For blending this concealer, first I'm using a concealer brush and second I'm using a BB blender because this is a kind of dry concealer but it's still so good. Now I'm taking Beauty Compact Powder for set my base. Apply in patting motion in my face. Then just bake your face with face baking powder. Apply in your under eye area, nose and in your jawline. Apply it in your every highlighted point in your face. This powder sets my full makeup. For brow, I'm using dark brown eyebrow pencil. I'm just taking stroke in my eyebrows and fill it properly. This is so quick and easy to apply. For my eyes, I'm using 3-color eyeshadow in this eye look. I'm using Makeup Revolution Nude palette. This palette is so much pigmented. First, I'm taking a neutral color eyeshadow from my Makeup Revolution palette. Just apply it in your whole eyelid and blend it smoothly. Second, I'm using a light brown eyeshadow from the same palette and apply it in your outer corner in your eye. lash line. And apply a little bit of glitter in my middle part of eyelid, and it looks so shiny and so glossy. Taking the Faces Canada eyeliner, I'm using Liquidant. I'm creating a wing. I feels like it's a classy wing. It screams like a Diwali look. I'm just really like this eyeliner. This is super duper matte and so long lasting. Now I'm curl my eyelashes. And apply falsies. Falsies is totally optional. I'm taking mascara. This mascara is Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. I'm applying it the upper lashes in my eyes. Now I'm using a white kajal in my lower lash line and take the mascara in the lower lashes. Now I'm just brush the loose powder. For bronzer, I'm taking Huda Beauty bronzer. This bronzer is very pigmented. I'm using it in my contour area and jawline. For my cheeks, I'm using Huda Beauty Peach Blush. I'm pressing into my apple of the cheeks and the top of the nose and blend it well. This is looking so nice and I'm just loving it. For my lips, I'm using liquid matte lipstick. This lipstick is so beautiful and it suits on me. I love this lipstick. For highlighter, I'm using Makeup Revolution highlighter. I'm puffing in my higher part of the cheeks, and this is so glossy and it looks so shiny. I'm applying this in my brow bone, nose and inner corner of eyes and upper lip. I just love this highlighter. Makeup fixing spray. Last but not the least, I'm using Vaseline body lotion and 3 or 4 pump of foundation for hand and neck. This is most important for winter. And I'm ready. This is my final look. Happy Diwali! If you like my video, please
Please subscribe my channel.